Is your Android stuck in a boot loop, black screen, or recovery mode? UltFone Android System Repair claims to fix these issues fast and without hassle. In this video, we'll review its key features, ease of use, pricing, and whether it's truly worth it. Let's get started. Part 1. What is UltFone Android System Repair? UltFone Android System Repair is a Windows tool for fixing Android issues, especially on Samsung phones. It helps enter or exit fastboot, recovery, and download modes with one click. Free features are limited. Full repairs need a paid license. Part 2. Main features of UltFone Android System Repair. Part 3. Phone Android System Repair License Code. Get 91% off UltFone. Share on social media, enter your email, and click Get License. Download, install, and activate with the code for 1 free month. Part 4. Pros and cons of UltFone Android System Repair. Pros: one-click fixes or easy mode access or Samsung Repair or Junk Cleaner or easy to use. Cons: full repair, Samsung only or paid features or Windows only or refund issues or slow downloads. Part 5. Best UltFone Android System Repair Alternative. Many users report that UltFone Android System Repair struggles to fix certain Android system issues. If it doesn't work for you, try a top alternative, Android Repair. Step 1. Launch the Android Repair application on your computer. Connect your Android device to this computer using a USB cable and select Android Repair from the left-hand menu. The tool will display the Android issues it is capable of resolving. You may review the options and click Start. Step 2. Enter your device information in the subsequent interface and click Next to proceed. Step 3. Type the number 00000 into the empty field and press Confirm to continue. Please be aware that the system repair process may erase all data on your Android device. Step 4. To boot the Android phone into download mode, follow the instructions below. Option 1. For a device with the home button, power off your device. Then simultaneously press the home, power, and volume down buttons for 10 seconds. Option 2. For a device without a home button, turn off your device. Then press the Bixby, power, and volume down buttons for approximately 10 seconds. Before releasing them, press and hold the volume up button to access download mode. Step 5. After successfully rebooting the phone into download mode, click Next to download the firmware for your device. Once the download is complete, the software will automatically begin repairing your phone system.